Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all keeping well. Paul the Tech Giant here and welcome to the channel where today I'm going to be unboxing another bit of kitchen tech for you. And today that comes in the form of this Russell Hobbs toaster. And this isn't just any old toaster apparently. This is a faster toasting toaster with LED light bar on it. So should go very nice with our recent unboxing of the Bosch Kettle here. This has the nice blue lighting on it as well. And if you want to see the unboxing of that, please head on down to the description where I will put a link. Also, I'm going to be unboxing in another video this Nutra Ninja blender. Again, should be good doing this because it's meant to be the sort of latest and greatest bit of tech when it comes to blenders. And we will see when we unbox that in another video. And I'll put a link in the description for that when that is done as well. So I think it's time that we crack on with the video. Rightio, we'll start off by taking a look around the outside the box. And what we'd then do is get the toaster out, have a look around the toaster itself, and then give it a test. Just quickly, just want to point on the fact that we did actually order one of these the other day from a company that I'm not going to mention at the moment, but when they did send it out, the toaster was actually bashed to bits inside the box. Looked like it had been booted around the back of the van or something. And this one today has turned up. And on the bottom there was a sticker with our details on it, which was covering a lovely hole in the bottom. So not amazing that we've been sent two that have got, you know, pretty bad damaged packaging, and whether this one's damaged or not, we will see. But the other one was, you know, damaged to the point of obviously it wasn't fit for purpose. So not a great start, but anyway, we will crack on and see if it is damaged or not once we get it out of the box. So anyway, moving on, let's take a tour around the outside here. So this is the Russell Hobbs Buckingham 4-slice toaster. And there we have a picture of it on the front there. You'll have to excuse if it looks a bit warped on the sides and not perfectly straight. That's just because I'm using a wide angle lens. If I put it onto the normal one, you can see it looks a bit more normal there. So we've got up to 3 years guarantee. Reason why it's up to is because you get your standard 12 months. Then I think there's like a warranty card that once you sort of register that online, you get the additional couple of years, which takes you up to your 3 years in total. Then it goes on to say it is a faster toasting toaster, extra wide slots, and up to 55% faster toasting. Moving on to the side, goes on again to say about the fast toasting technology, up to 55% faster toasting with our new fast toaster heating element, and that's compared to a Russell Hobbs, whatever that is, I haven't got a clue, a different Russell Hobbs toaster. Anyway, and we've got the wide slots with extra lift. Wide slots ideal for thicker bread types, extra lift for smaller bread types. And then we move on to the nice feature of this, which is the unique illuminating light strip, which, as it says there, lights up during the toasting cycle. Round on the other side, it was the same as what we've seen before. And on the other side again, we've got some of the other products in that range, and it goes on to say about how it's the brush and polish stainless steel toaster with black accents. Saying about its faster toasting again, the light strip, 6-stage browning control with frozen, cancel and reheat functions. And then at the bottom goes on to say about the removable crumb trays for ease of cleaning. So that's about it, and I think it's time we get it out of the box. Right, let's lift the lid. And first off, we are presented with a bit of junk mail there from Russell Hobbs, and also what looks like the instruction manual there. Yep. All in English. And then we've got a bit of cardboard packaging on top. Just lift that off. That's one side. And then we see the toaster itself. Let's lift that out. Nothing else in the box. And the toaster is in a bag, which we'll remove now. And let's have a look and check for any damage, because it was the bottom of the box that was bashed in, but no, that all looks good. Let's start off then by taking a tour around the toaster itself, and start off at the back here where you've got your crumb trays, and I'm guessing it's just going to be a simple push, yeah, and that then unclips, and same on the other side, nice and simple. Moving on round to the side, and got a bit more advertisement about how it toasts up to 55% faster, and yeah, you can see the brushed finished effect on that there. Looks very nice. See, that carries on all the way around, and around the other side there, actually there's me saying it's got no damage, and it's got a dent in the side, so not too happy about that. So I'll be getting back onto the company again to get this one replaced for a second time. So this is not good, and I'm not going to be naming names at this point in time, like I said, but that's not very good on that company's part there, and certainly put me off buying from them. Never bought from them before, but anyway, let's move on to the front of this toaster. So you've got your push down, I don't know what you want to call them really, push down levers where obviously you set the toast in motion for toasting. Then each side you've got your various controls there for your heating, which is, I don't know if you can hear that. It's got a slight notchiness to it, which is nice because our previous one was just too smooth running and it was too easy to knock round. So that's nice that it's got small increments there where you can just turn it up and get that toast to perfection. Then you've got your defrost button there, and looks like there's an LED light to the side of that, and below that we've got what looks like the reheat function button, and again another LED light for that one, and then your ejection button. Right, what I'm going to do now is just quickly measure the cable for it. So just having a look underneath, you have got a cable hook just there. So if I put it on this side, it's going to matter now really, because it's already damaged anyway, so I'm not going to be worried about scratching it or anything. And let's get the old tape measure on the cable there, and that works out to be approximately 70 centimeters, or in inches that is roughly 27.5 inches. So again, what you'd probably expect for a toaster, to be honest, you know, not the longest cable in the world, but you generally don't get long cables with toasters anyway. So what I think we'll do now is plug it in and see what those lights are like. Now, in order to get the lights illuminated, what we will need to do is push down on either of these levers here. But as per the instructions, for the very first use, what you need to do is cure the elements. Now, you do that by adjusting both of these knobs here to level 6. So that's all the way up. And then basically turn the toaster on. And that will then just burn off any nasties, and then it should be good to go for toasting after that. So I'm going to push down on these elements now. Levers now. So there's one, and there is the other. And as you can see, either side lights up separately to the other, depending on which one you are pushing down on. And that looks very nice indeed. We just adjust that level there, and as you can see, looks very nice and stylish. Get a slight bit of reflection back up onto the chrome effect there from the lights, and yeah, looks really, really nice. I mean, at the end of the day, it is just a toaster. But, you know, if you're going to have a toaster, why not make it look really nice in the kitchen? And, you know, who doesn't like a blue light at the end of the day? Now, I would try out how fast this is at toasting, but as I've said, it has got to go back. So unfortunately I can't do that, and you know, this is the second time I've tried to make this video now, so it is what it is, and I can't show it off to its fullest at the moment because I can't be bothered getting all crumbs in there and that and having to clean it out. So that's as far as I can really take this demonstration. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today of the Russell Hobbs Buckingham 4-slice toaster. And if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.